room tour. This is our first accommodation in Fiji in Nandi. We stayed at the Ramada, which is a self-contained unit. Washing machine, dryer, ironing board, microwave, dishwasher, toaster, all your crockery, cups, fridge and freezer, a full-size fridge. There's the dishwasher. And then all the things you needed, of course, bins, cutlery, pots, pans, Tupperware. And this is the lounge room, dining room, TV, and let's go and check out the bathroom. Pretty normal bathroom. It was lovely, comfortable. And they had shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Then into the bedroom, we had 2 singles at this place. And the door goes straight out to the balcony. Look at that view. So beautiful. Overlooking the pool and the bar and restaurant. And this is the Ramada at Wailoaloa Beach in Nandi.